All right, friends, I'm going to teach you the actions to the Eency, Weency, Itzy, Bitzy, and Hairy Scary Spider. For the Eency, Weency, we need to imagine the smallest spider ever. We're going to use our 2 pointer fingers and our thumbs, and we're going to pinch them together, leave just a tiny little space. And this is the Eency, Weency spider. We need to use our eensiest, weensiest voices too, so we're going to talk really high. So the spider climbs up the spout, and then what happens? That's right, it rains, and it washes the spider out. The Itsy Bitsy spider is similar, a little bit more complicated, but I think you can get the hang of it. We're also going to use our pointer fingers and our thumbs. We're going to flip one upside down, and look, I made, what shape is that? That's right, it's a rectangle. Now we're going to make our bottom fingers, and we're going to flip them up to the top, and our bottom becomes the top. And this is the Itsy Bitsy spider, and the rain comes down and washes the spider out. And then the hairy, scary spider, well, that's a great big spider, so we need to use our big voices. We're going to link our 2 thumbs together. Boop, boop. We got 8 hairy, scary legs, and the hairy, scary spider goes up the water spout, and torrential rain comes down, and it washes that spider out. Okay, should we go see if Spider is ready with their ukulele? All right. Okay, friends at home, are you ready with your Eency Weensy spiders? Here we go.